All right, so we're doing puts on QQQ and SPY. Let's make sure the exits aren't on. Mhm. Okay, got that conditional order on QQQ set. Let's do the other one on SPY. Let's see, SPY. Oh, here it is. Okay. I got plenty of room. Let me lock in on um slowing down so I can make sure I got everything set. I've been speed racing through these orders and made a mistake and did two trades at once. All right, let's get rid of those. So we're doing puts on SPY and QQQ. Both are set, so I don't have to manage them. Um, Looks like a retest of the EMA on QQQ. It's also coming off of a resistance level, 632.36. QQQ has the main screen right now. SPY was a mistake, but we'll keep it on because they both act um, in cohesiveness. Even though SPY is just channeling right now, we'll keep SPY on the main screen because that's where we got the signal to go ahead on QQQ. And SPY's actually channeling here. Actually, the smart thing to do would be to take the trade off, but we'll leave it be on SPY. We still have sell signals on SPY, so it's not a terrible trade, but I don't think it was time yet. So we'll see if that holds up at all. SPY still channeling. So it's QQQ. They're both channeling. Not quite ready yet. Might be channeling for a while. Might have been too early. I think we did. We're definitely on the right side of the trade ultimately, but I think it's too early of an entry. SPY and QQQ are going to channel for a little bit longer. Let's see where the 37, 33. We'll see if they hold up. A surge of volume. We're definitely in channel mode. Yeah, biggest thing about this is we could have waited a little bit longer. We did get a good what looked to be the start of a sell off run signal on QQQ that disappeared. Part of me wonders if I should take it off. If you got the trailing stop, we'll leave it be. I'm not the one. I'm not usually a one to kind of take trades off mid go. So we'll see. See if QQQ or spot sells off here. They're definitely channeling at the moment. They're about to hit a level of support here pretty soon. They're still in limbo. They're just channeling at the moment, which worries me. But let's see if we have a sell off at all. They're not ready to trend quite yet. IWM is definitely in that channel mode where it's not volatile, so we'll leave IWM alone for a while. QQQ is kind of going neutral. It's going to go sideways. It's if you have both these levels here, 632.36 and 629.13 on QQQ, it'll definitely stay inside this box for a while. I'm pretty sure of it. We'll see if that lasts. Let me see. Watching see where the trailing stops are at least. 657 and 503. Yeah, I think we followed a good game plan. We had good sell signals on QQQ. I think I was rushing, and I think I was definitely rushing and didn't flip the screen from SPY. So, so I avoided one mistake by almost doing calls, but still did a mistake by getting the wrong ticker. Right now they're just sideways and choppy, not ready to run yet. All right, SPY is getting real choppy and neutral. I think both are actually getting choppy and neutral. It's not a bad thing, but it's just going feeding into the sideways motion here. Part of me wants to keep this on. Another part of me wants to turn this loose. QQQ is both are actually giving a little more sell interest here, but they're not quite ready to. Yeah, they're getting extremely choppy. Neutral, definitely getting neutral. Let's I'm gonna do a little indiscretion on this one. Let's take profit on them. I'm in limbo. I'm really in limbo. Doing pretty well. They're both up. I think the SPY is up 6%. QQ is up 4%. It's gonna be choppy for a while. You see what those trailing orders are looking like here. 504 on the fence. I'm on the fence. Got the trailing stops on. I'm not doing terrible. We'll leave them alone. I'm usually not the one to take one off here. We'll leave them alone. Stick to the guns. SPY's getting extremely choppy. Looking a little closer to their level of support. SPY and QQQ. Try to go back to this and see what made me. Wasn't a terrible trade. They were just still in the middle here. Let me see right here, 63 and 43. Yeah, I could have used a little more discretion here. We'll leave them be. They're just channeling for right now. Um, it's the start of what will be a bearish run, but I think they got a lot of work to do. I think it'll bump into it's about to bump into the support line here and so I think it'll be extremely choppy. Eventually, probably will take the trailing stops out eventually. SPY is really about to go sideways. QQ is just neutral and channeling. At least it's channeling in the right direction. At least that's not a terrible thing. SPY's doing the same thing. It's channeling, but I don't think it's gonna go in any direction. I think SPY will keep lingering down here just a little bit. Both are ultimately about to bump into some support. Let me see if I got those levels mapped out on SPY. Yeah. I look like he wants to channel down a little bit. Doing extremely well. All trades up 7% just about. Pretty sure trailing stop is scooting with it. Yeah, both trailing stops have scooted up. So I'll take it. We'll leave the trades alone here. Hmm, somewhat of a good call not to take them off early. I'm not extremely comfortable being the word is discretionary. I'm not comfortable being a discretionary trader. Forces you to kind of trust and read what you're seeing and reaction to it. Almost like an emotional thing, like you're trusting your gut just a little bit. Not a fan of that. But You can expect it to be kind of choppy, probably for another 30 minutes, probably, before we see any kind of big time boom. Go sideways here for a bit. SPY and QQQ bumping into the support. SPY is actually giving a buy signal. Could be a good reason for us to exit the trade. We have the trailing stop, so it's no need. Um, where are we right now? QQ is looking real neutral. SPY is kind of channeling a little bit. Both are at a major support, so I wouldn't be surprised if they pushed up here pretty soon. Back up to this EMA. Let's see what the trailing stop is on both. Trailing stop ain't too far behind. Trailing stop is at 630.69 on QQQ. So it scooted down quite a bit. Um, on SPY, so 684.43. So they scooted down quite a bit. Both trades keep SPY's up 11% right now, even though it's just channeling. QQQ is up 6%. Here comes that support. We're just in a huge channel right now. QQQ. Everything's choppy. IWM is seeming like it wants to run, but I don't believe in that. So we'll leave IWM alone. Everything is rangy for right now. What I can say is that definitely on the right side of the trade. I just think it's sideways right now. QQQ and SPY is hitting a definitely bouncing off support here. So we could get caught up in that. We'll see. I think everything channels for the next 30 minutes or an hour. It's just in my opinion. All right, we are out on SPY. So SPY must have hit a major run here. What did we make or lose on SPY? Made 22 bucks. Let's count the percentage here. What was that on SPY? Let's see. SPY was at 527. We made about 11 cents. Let's see how much that calculates up to. We're out on QQQ as well. We'll count that as well. Made a little money on both. All right. Let's see. 704 and 720. 2% on QQQ. Not bad. Made 32 bucks on it. And what else? Um, it was SPY, right? SPY is 527. And it was 538. Got another 2% on SPY. So let's say 11% overall total 104 bucks. So that's a good day. 11% is pretty solid overall. Um, we were able to catch some solid moves. So it's 9:30. It's giving old Jet vibes with the 1 hour trades here. Um, I'm gonna at least cut this video off. I really don't have anything else to do. I could kind of watch this some more and see if I can catch a bigger wave, but I'm gonna cut this video off for now. This is part two for today. And I'll see if I catch anything else later.